All right, Kaiweets sent in another one of their new tools. This is an ES21, and it is an electric screwdriver set. I've did a review on another manufacturer of a electronic screwdriver. We'll see how Kaiweets brand looks like. Standard box from Kaiweets. It comes with a little magnetic pad here that you can throw your screws onto if they're magnetic and they won't roll away on you. It comes with a little user manual. Looks like a charging cord and a, oh, that's interesting, a magnetizer demagnetizer. All right. So those come separate, and then you get this thing here, which is, it doesn't open up as you might think. You'd think you just kind of open up like this. It's got the charging port on the outside for charging the screwdrivers, but there's no way of sliding it out. So you push this and then it pops out. So it's one of those push and pop things. And all right, well, that's the way they did it. I don't know if I'm a big fan of that or not, but let's take a look inside. Lots of bits. Anything on the back? Oh yeah. So it's got bits on the front and the back, so lots of bits. And a good selection of short ones and long ones. I like these long ones. They do come in handy once in a while, so it's got a great support of different bit sizes. So the other thing is you get the screwdriver, which is here, cordless of course, and chargeable from the outside, but there's just a hole here in the case, so you're just plugging it directly into here. Oh, and then it comes with some tweezers and a metal spudger. So get those two tools with it as well. But what I'm interested in is the screwdriver function. So let's put these back in. How do they go in there? They seem to be longer. There we go. All right. So let's take a look at the screwdriver. There's 3 buttons, and this button doesn't seem to do much. So, all right. Looks like that might have been a display, but I don't think it is. Oh, wait a minute. It is a display. Okay. It tells you your charge level. So we've got LEDs, so you can see your work. Let's put in a bit here, and yep, it is magnetic, holds the bit in, and then we can righty-tighty and lefty-loosey, okay? And then the back, what does the back do? All right, now it's flashy. I don't know what that means. I'll have to read the instructions. But it acts like a screwdriver. These things are actually quite handy, especially as you age. You don't want to be doing this motion all the time. And especially if you're taking apart a laptop where there's like 1,000 screws you have to take out. Yeah, these are really, really nice. Let's put this guy. Yeah, so nice long reach one. This looks like a big Phillips. Do I have a Phillips screw nearby? Oh, there we go. Oh. It is torque limited, or just motor limited. I can't stop it with my fingers. Now I don't know what this button did here, whether we changed the torque setting or not. I guess we should read the instructions. Should be pretty self-evident, I would think. All right, I read the instructions. It says if you hold this down for 2 seconds, you'll be in that mode. Then you click it again, and you're in one of 5 settings. This is high torque, lower torque, lower torque, lower torque, and the least amount of torque. Yep, sure enough. Now it stops at a very low torque setting. So it is adjustable 5 different torque settings. I like that. It defaults to the highest level. Doesn't have a huge amount of torque, but let's try it out on this thing here. We need a flat blade. And yeah, that one will fit nicely. So let's go to take these screws out. And oops. That was good. So we can put it back in now. Yeah, not a lot of torque. Not a lot of torque, but probably be fine for something like laptop screws. USB-C cord. We have a bunch of Phillips, some Torx, flats, squares, triangulars, yeah, all kinds of odd things in the back. These are all odd things, bunch of Torx. Here's one of those split things. Yeah, goes down to really, really small little, yeah, T1 Torx. So yeah, I don't know. I think it's good for the price. I think this is running, I think I looked at it with something like $38 or something like that, which I think is probably a good price for this compared to others on the market. Not a great fan of the push thing. Can you put it on either way, on this way or this way? Yeah, well, it works both directions. Like I said, though, not a big fan of that. Anyway, there you go. This is the Kaiweets ES21. Everybody should have an electric screwdriver. I do recommend them.